Well, my first parcel from Banggood has arrived. Let's take a look and see what's in it. I know you guys are probably thinking I open presents like your grandmother does at Christmas. Alright, let's see what we got here. Soldering iron. This is a temperature adjustable one. A desoldering tool, because it has the plunger already on it. A USB powered soldering iron. Just a basic protective screen for my Redmi Note. A case. Another case. A third case. A multi-tool. And an adapter. So one of those tools I just got must need an adapter. So I'll look forward to a review of all that a little later.